The film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 5 youths, in particular, Sally Hardesty and her invalid brother, Franklin. It is all the more tragic in that they were young. But had they lived very, very long lives, they could not have expected, nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare. The events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Yes, YouTube users, I'm going to do a review of one of the most notorious horror films in the world. And I'm not talking about the recent remake. This is the real one. Now, let's cut to the chase. I have bought this film to death. I've bought many versions of it. My last version of Texas Chainsaw I got rid of as it was released uncut in the UK, and I was going to get the UK release at some point. And while I was on my lunch break today at work, wandering around Widnes Town Centre, I was in Widnes Markets in one of the stores in Widnes, and they had Texas Chainsaw, the special edition, for just £4 now. For £4 for the film Texas Chainsaw. You can't go wrong, and I'll tell you why in the review now. This is one of the best horror films of all time. Nasty, dark, terrifying, funny in some places. Yep, it's got it all. When I say funny, I'm referring to some of Paul Partaine's character, to Franklin. Yeah, Chainsaw Massacre is one of the best films. Lots of unknown actors. They do their job well. They had to work in really, really extremely difficult situations, and it's unbelievable. I mean, about 10 years ago, if you wanted an original of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre on VHS, you had to fork out a big whopping £50, and now that was due to the fact that the film was rare due to it being banned in the UK when the Video Recordings Act came into force. But thanks to James Furman retiring and another chairman replacing the BBFC guy, we're now able to watch the Texas Chainsaw Massacre uncut in its full glory, and with Texas Chainsaw Massacre today on for £4 at Widnes Market, I thought, where could I go wrong? So I took the plunge and I bought it. And the DVD, it's got lots of extras. It's got interviews with the likes, with a leading actress, Marilyn Burns, and the guy that plays Franklin, Paul Partina. I believe he's dead now. And also Kim Henkel. Yeah, really, really good film. It tops the remake and the prequel to the remake. That's about it.